Hello everyone. Today we will be talking about Datatable links. You already know Datatable pages and you know how to work with it. But today we will work with links, and this data table consists of links and have multiple options to work with, a lot of filters over here. So today I will show you how to work with it. The most important thing is that now you are able to find any link in your HTML code on a website to analyze that, where it is put, where it links to, and all the info about each particular link on your website. Let's talk about filters. So the main filters: page URL, where the link is located, page DFI, how far this page is located from index page, and a list of others. So href full absolute URL, href original as on tag. So how exactly it is displayed in a tag? href host, href scheme. It is all about these particular fields of the URL. By href host, you can easily find links to your external domains or subdomains. There is another very important filter, which is target allow by robots.txt. You want to find links to the pages which are closed in robots.txt, just apply this filter and find them. There are also some columns here. Source page, where the link is located. href target, it's the URL where this link is leading to. Then if it has follow, then the anchor, which is the text of the link, if it has title, if it is image link or not, so you are able to extract the attributes from the link here just by applying these filters. So that's all about filters and columns in our Datatable links. So please welcome to use it and have a great day.